We got recently asked, what's hot in the Texas luxury real estate market in 2025? Multi-million dollar market breakdown. Have you been curious about what Texas luxury real estate and wondering what's really happening in the multi-million dollar market this year? Hi, I'm Natasha Carroll with Natasha Carroll Realty, your trusted realtor for all your real estate needs in the state of Texas. Today, we're going to dive into the Texas real estate market update for 2025. I'm going to be breaking down hottest trends, best cities, and what you need to know if you're relocating to Texas in 2025 or if you're thinking about upgrading to a luxury home. Whether you're a seasoned investor or you're just dreaming of your first multi-million dollar property, this is your go-to guide for what's truly hot in the Texas luxury living market. So without further ado, let's just get right into it because the Texas luxury market is not just hot, it's actually on fire. From Dallas to Houston, Austin to San Antonio, and even our high-end suburbs, the Lone Star State is getting new records for high-end sales, new construction, as well as innovative design. So if you're asking yourself where to buy luxury property in Texas, or which city is the right for your next big move, let's break it all down together. We're gonna start with the Dallas-Fort Worth area. We're gonna consider this the powerhouse of Texas luxury. Let's start with Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, which is hands down leading the pack for the Texas real estate in 2025. DFW accounted for almost 39% of all multi-million dollar homes sales statewide last year, with nearly 5,000 homes sold for over $1 million, totaling a jaw-dropping of $8.5 billion in sales volume. This is not just a trend. I would say it's a movement. But you might ask, what's fueling this surge? First, DFW, Dallas-Fort Worth business diversity is attracting high net worth buyers from across the country. 8 global companies relocated their headquarters to Texas in 2024 alone, and many chose Dallas for its business-friendly climate and luxury lifestyle. Neighborhoods like Highland Park, University Park, and Preston Hollow are seeing both new construction and historic estates trading hands for record prices. In fact, 5 of 10 of the most expensive Texas homes listed this year are in Dallas County, including a Mediterranean-style estate on Turtle Creek Boulevard listed for $18.5 million. So if you want to be where the action is, Dallas-Fort Worth is just your first stop for the luxury housing market in Texas. Next, we're going to discuss Houston. We're going to call this section Houston fastest moving, efficient, and full of opportunity. That's what I'm going to call it. Now let's talk about Houston, the city that's quietly become a powerhouse for luxury housing in Texas. Houston's luxury homes are selling faster than anywhere else in the state, averaging just 49 days on the market. Last year, over 3,300 luxury homes sold for a combined $5.7 billion, and the market is still growing at a solid 10% year over year, I would say. What's so unique about Houston, you might ask? I would say the buyer's market right now, it's definitely a buyer's market with 6.4 months of inventory. That means if you're looking for where to buy luxury property in Texas and you want some negotiation power, Houston should be on your radar. Neighborhoods like River Oaks and Memorial, they're seeing at least 65% increase in multi-million dollar home sales compared to last year. The average luxury home in Houston is selling for about $558,778, but you'll find plenty of properties well into the multi-million dollar range, especially in the city's most established neighborhoods, of course. Houston's appeal, it goes beyond just the numbers. The city's economic diversity, from energy to healthcare to tech, keeps the market resilient, I would say. Plus, you can get more bang for your buck compared to the other major metros. For buyers who want luxury amenities, quick access to world-class dining, and a vibrant art scene, Houston is a steady, smart choice, of course. Now, let's get into, I would say, Austin. We're gonna call this the premium price, but a balanced market. Austin's luxury market is always a hot topic, and 2025 is no exception. After a few years of wild ups and downs, Austin has settled into a more balanced market. The city still commands high prices per square foot in Texas, $683 for luxury homes, with the median luxury sale price holding steady at $2 million. In April, the luxury threshold was $2.96 million, and homes in the $3 million to $3.5 million range are especially in high demand in Austin. You might say, what's driving this, Natasha? I would say major tech investment like Samsung's $20 billion plant and Tesla's ongoing expansion are bringing in high-income buyers. Westlake Hills and other scenic neighborhoods are favorites for those wanting space, privacy, and stunning views just minutes from downtown. Austin's luxury homes average 81 days on the market, giving buyers a little more breathing room to be able to make some decisions. So if you're looking for innovation, Austin is at the forefront. Smart home technology, sustainable design, and wellness-focused activities and amenities are standard features in many of the new builds that's being built today. The city's creative energy and I would say that entrepreneurial spirit make it a magnet for buyers who want both lifestyle and investment potential. So now let's talk about San Antonio. I would call it the value play for savvy buyers. San Antonio is the under the radar star of the Texas real estate market. And when we think about that, while it may not have the flash of Dallas or Austin, San Antonio offers incredible value and strong growth for luxury buyers. Last year, 656 luxury homes sold for a total of $1 billion, and the market is up 4%. With 12.4 months of inventory, it is truly a buyer's market, meaning you can negotiate and you can actually take your time. The median list price in San Antonio is just $297,000, but in the luxury neighborhoods like Alamo Heights, you'll find homes for $450,000 to a $1 million range. Stone Oak and downtown are also seeing steady appreciation, especially as more buyers discover the city's blend of history, culture, and I would say affordability, of course. So San Antonio is especially attractive for investors. The city's population growth, strong rental market, and lower cost of living make it a smart play for those looking to diversify their luxury portfolio. And if you want a multi-million-dollar home with the room to grow, San Antonio is one of the best cities in Texas for luxury real estate as well. So definitely, you should give it a consider. Now, let's get to the Woodlands and Plano. We're gonna call this section Suburban Living, Luxury Living. Let's not forget about the high-end suburbs. The Woodlands, which is just north of Houston, is a master plan community that's become a destination for luxury buyers. Here you'll find Mediterranean estates, contemporary masterpieces, and even a $13.65 million French colonial home overlooking the Nicholas Golf Course. Most luxury homes in the Woodlands, they range from $1.2 million up to $20 million, with amenities like private golf, lakes, and top-tier shopping. Plano near Dallas is another suburban gem with steady demand and limited inventory. Luxury homes in Plano, I would say they often feature smart home tech, gourmet kitchen, and resort-style pools. Gated communities are popular, offering privacy and security for high net worth buyers. Plano's proximity to Dallas means you get suburban peace without sacrificing the city's access. Both, I would say, the Woodlands and Plano are perfect for buyers who want family-friendly neighborhoods, excellent amenities, and a strong resale value. So if you're relocating to Texas in 2025 and you want the best of both worlds, these two suburbs should be at the top of your list. Now, let's get into hot trends in the Texas luxury real estate homes. Let's talk about what's trending in luxury housing in 2025. First, multi-generational living is huge. We have a lot of requests for that. Nearly half of all luxury buyers want flexible floor plans that accommodate extended family. Think in-law suites, open living spaces, and private guest quarters. Smart home technology is no longer a bonus, it's actually a must these days. Buyers expect AI-empowered systems for lighting, climate, and security, plus predictive maintenance and immersion in media rooms. Sustainability is also at the top of mind for many buyers in this luxury market. Net zero homes, native landscaping, and eco-friendly materials are in high demand, especially amongst younger luxury buyers. Wellness is another big trend. Home spas and saunas, pools, indoor gardens popping up in new builds all over the state of Texas, turning bathrooms into personal retreats. Outdoor living spaces, complete with kitchens and pools and fire pits, are also a priority, especially here in Texas, where we love to entertain and be outdoors. Another trend, cash is still king in the luxury market, with so many buyers coming from high tax states like California. All cash offers are common, helping to insulate the market from the interest rate swings that are going up and down, but mostly up lately. The numbers, what you need to know is what we're going to talk about. Let's look at the numbers behind the Texas luxury real estate boom. The median luxury home price varies by city. $2 million in Austin, $1.6 million in Dallas, and $1.1 million in Houston. Price per square feet, it ranged from $394,000 in Dallas to $683 in Austin. The most expensive Texas homes are setting new records. Dallas boasts a $64 million estate with a ballroom, a helipad, while Highland Park has a $36.5 million English-style mansion. These homes aren't just large, I would call them architectural masterpieces, of course. So, in terms of market health, the luxury sales ratio was 14% in January of 2025, down from 37% in 2023. That means the market is more balanced, giving buyers and sellers more room to negotiate. Inventory is up in most cities, but demand remains strong thanks to the continued corporate relocations and, of course, international interest that we have throughout the state of Texas. So why Texas real estate is still a smart move? I would say, should you buy luxury property in Texas in 25? Absolutely. If you know what you're looking for and work with a knowledgeable agent, Texas offers tax advantages, a diverse economy, and I would say a lifestyle that's really hard to beat. Whether you want a downtown penthouse, a lakeside estate, or a smart home in a gated community, there's something here for every luxury buyer that's interested. So if you're relocating to Texas in 2025, remember that each city and neighborhood has its own vibe and its own market dynamics. Dallas is fast-paced and business-driven. Houston is efficient and diverse. Austin is creative and at a premium. And San Antonio is value-focused. Suburbs like the Woodlands and Plano offer family-friendly luxury with strong resale value, so keep that in mind. No matter where you land, Texas luxury real estate is about more than just the house. It's about a lifestyle, of course, the community, and long-term value, of course. So, final thoughts, I would say here, if you're thinking about final thoughts on what should be your next steps, of course, I want to say thank you for joining us on this video for the Texas Real Estate Update. If you're ready to explore the luxury market, I'd love to help you navigate your options and find the perfect property that meets you and your family needs. Whether you're upgrading, investing, or making Texas your new home, let's make your move all about the best for you and your family, of course. If you have questions, don't hesitate to put them down in the comment section below, or you can reach out to me directly. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the Texas luxury real estate market and the hottest trends in the market, of course. So think about this. I want to say thank you for watching. Stay curious and keep dreaming big. And if you want to learn more, just click on the box of the screen to watch more. This Texas luxury update, I hope you found it interesting. If you have any additional questions, don't forget to send them my way. I will absolutely look forward to seeing you on the next video. And trust me, there are more hidden gems in the Texas real estate market than you'll know. I'll be producing those on the next video. Bye for now.